Classification based on number of halogen. Halogens are denoted with the X. X is fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. 1. Monohaloalkanes. Monohaloalkanes meaning one halogen atom bonded to alkyl group that may be fluorine or chlorine or bromine or iodine. Example, alkyl halide. Methyl chloride, IUPAC name is chloromethane, common name is methyl chloride. Second example is chlorobenzene. Second, dihaloalkanes. Dihaloalkane meaning two halogen atoms are bonded to alkyl group or aryl group. Example, CH2Cl2. Dichloromethane is IUPAC name. Common names are methylene chloride or methylidine chloride. Geminal dihalide. Geminal dihalide meaning two halogen bonded to same carbon atom. Geminal dihalide also known as gem dihalide, named as alkylidine halides. Second example is CH3CHClCl. IUPAC name is 1,1-dichloroethane. Common name is ethylidine chloride. This is IUPAC and this one is common name. Now, other examples on benzene, two chlorine at different position, 1,2 position. Another one is 1,3 position, 1,4 position. Now, their IUPAC name 1,2 position 1,2-dichlorobenzene, common name orthodichlorobenzene. 1,3 position 1,3-dichlorobenzene, IUPAC name metadichlorobenzene, common name. 1 and 4th position 1,4-dichlorobenzene, IUPAC name paradichlorobenzene is a common name. O indicating ortho, M indicating meta, P indicating para. Trihaloalkanes. Three halogen atoms are bonded to alkyl or aryl group. Example, CHX3. In place of X, we can write halogen, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Then CHCl3, this is ClCl3, CHBr3, CHI3. Their common names are chloroform, bromoform, iodoform. CHX3, IUPAC name trihalomethane, common name haloform. Similarly, CHCl3, common name chloroform, IUPAC name trichloromethane, IUPAC name tribromomethane, IUPAC name triiodomethane. Common names are chloroform, bromoform, iodoform. Fourth one, tetrahaloalkanes, meaning four halogen atoms are bonded to alkyl or aryl group. Example, CX4, its name tetrahalomethane. Example, CCl4, its IUPAC name tetrachloromethane, common name carbon tetrachloride. Classification of monohaloalkanes. Classification of monohaloalkanes, two types. 1. sp3CX bond mean halogen bonded to sp3 carbon. Another one, halogen bonded to sp2 carbon. First one, sp3CX bond type. In the first one example, this carbon bonded directly with one other carbon. This is called primary carbon. This one is called primary carbon because carbon bonded with the only one other carbon. This carbon is called primary carbon. Second one example, this carbon, middle carbon bonded with the two other carbon directly. Therefore, this carbon is known as secondary carbon. This one is known as secondary carbon. Like this tertiary also possible. In second type, sp2CX bond. In sp2CX bond, halogen bonded to double bonded carbon, CH2 double bond CH. Therefore, this one is vinylic group. What do you call this is? Vinylic group. Therefore, this is known as vinyl halide. Second one, halogen bonded to this halogen bonded to this carbon. This is sp2 carbon. Therefore, this is called aryl halide. This one is called aryl halide, or also known as a halobenzene. Now we have to identify this carbon is known as sp2 carbon. Here also this carbon is known as sp2 carbon. Now in sp3CX another type is carbon bonded, the central carbon bonded with the three other carbon directly. Therefore this one is known as tertiary carbon. This is called tertiary alkyl halide. This is denoted as a T dash, tertiary alkyl halide. So we have primary, secondary, tertiary. Primary mean carbon bonded with directly with other carbon. To this primary carbon, halogen bonded mean primary alkyl halide. Secondary carbon mean carbon bonded directly with the two other carbon, that is called secondary carbon. To this halogen bonded means secondary alkyl halide. Tertiary carbon meaning carbon directly bonded with the three other carbon, that is called tertiary carbon. To this halogen bond means tertiary alkyl halide. Now another one type is known as this type of setup. It means after a double bond, next carbon is known as a allyl carbon. Which one that is a allyl? To this halogen is bonded, therefore this is called allyl halide. Double bond next carbon is known as a allyl. To this halogen bonded, therefore it is called allyl halide. Next one, benzene next carbon. This is a benzene. Benzene next carbon, this one. This carbon is known as a benzyl. What do you call this? Benzyl. To this halogen bonded, therefore this is called benzyl halide. Up to here, the classification of monohaloalkane completed. But one thing I forgot. In dihaloalkane, vicinal dihalides. Vicinal dihalide meaning halogen bonded to adjacent carbon. Example, CH2Cl, CH2Cl. Its name is 1 2 position, therefore it is called IUPAC's name 1 2 dichloroethane. Common name is ethylene. Common name ethylene dichloroethane. chloride. Already we know that geminal dihalides known as the alkylidine halides. Vicinal dihalides are common name is known as alkyline dihalide. This is a common name for vicinal dihalide. For geminal, what is there? We know that geminal dihalide common name is known as alkylidine halide.